This story is called The Hmong People and the Turtle, as told by Vangtou Xiong X, adapted and illustrated by G. Gramber Wilson. Page 5. At the beginning of the world, after the earth was flooded, God made a king, a man and a woman, and all the animals. The king was the guardian of the man and the woman and the animals. It was his duty to lead and guide them. He taught everyone how to make a living. The king made rules for everyone to follow. He treated people and animals equally. Everyone had to obey him. One day, the man and woman were busy working on the farm. The animals were busy playing and looking for food. They were far away from the king. Page 7. The king called them to come home. The man and woman didn't pay attention. The animals kept on eating and playing. Nobody listened. One by one, more and more, all the rules were broken. The king was not happy. He was angry. At last he thought of a plan. He decided to test everyone to see who would still obey him. He announced that he was very sick. He said that he was dying. He wanted everyone to come home to see his body for the last time. Page 8. The animals cheered. "We're glad the king is dead. From now on, nobody can bother us. There are no more rules to follow. We can do whatever we want. We'll be happy forever." Turtle was the only animal that was not happy. He left early to see the king, but he got stuck in the middle of the road. A big tree fell down and it was blocking his way. He couldn't climb over it because he kept sliding off. Page 9. In those days, turtles didn't have shells. At last, the man and woman came along. "Where are you going?" asked Turtle. "To the king's funeral," they answered. "I am going there too," Turtle said, "but I can't climb over this tree. Would you please help me? If you do, I will tell you something important." The man lifted the turtle over the tree. Turtle thanked him and took the couple. Page 10. When you get to the funeral, you must say these words: "We cannot live without our king. When we need help, nobody will guide us. Nobody will teach us. We need our king. We will miss our king forever." You see, Turtle knew that everyone had disobeyed the king and made him angry. He also knew that the king was testing everyone by only pretending to be dead. Finally, the man and woman arrived at the king's funeral. They cried and said, "We cannot live without our king. When we need help, nobody will guide us." Page 11. Nobody will teach us. We need our king. We will miss our king forever. After a few minutes, the king moved. Then he sat up and said to all the animals, "My dear animals, I heard what you said and what you wanted to do. I give you permission to do whatever you wish from now on." Page 12. All the animals were very happy, but the man, woman, and turtle were sad. The king made a speech. "I have some last words to say to you, my dear animals. Please listen carefully. It is true that you may have all your wishes, but I have something else to say. From now on, the Hmong people may eat all the animals that have their backs to the sky. Now they may eat all animals." Page 13. Turtle was surprised. He spoke to the king. "Your Majesty, you said that the Hmong people may eat all the animals. What about me? Will they eat me too?" The king replied, "Because they were faithful, the Hmong people may eat any animal. They may eat you too." Turtle cried loudly, "Oh, me too? But I wasn't with the other animals. My wish wasn't like theirs." The king did not want to take his reward away from the people, so instead he gave Turtle protection. The king gave Turtle a hard shell to hide in. Page 14. Since that time, people can eat any animal for food, but the Hmong people promised that they would never eat turtles, and they never do. The end.